London, do you need water? So, we're not almost done with the trail, but we are entering a part of the trail that is a little bit overgrown. So if you could, just make sure you watch your step and you're stepping right where you can see your feet. So right on the dirt, it's a little tight, but if you can just step, I'm going to try to cut as we go. But if you can walk where you can see your feet. But there's the chimney that the retirement home.
This used to be a lake, Lake Charlotte, in the heart of the city of Atlanta. It's beautiful, wonderful trees. It is so, so peaceful here.